I gotta keep you guys posted on this, but it's in the works. Guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in. Today I've got a simple video. I want to show you guys real quick that I'm going to be working on the C230. So I've got a leaky oil cooler, and this is a common thing if you have an oil cooler on your Mercedes. I'll show you where the oil cooler is real quick. I've gone ahead and jacked up the car just because you know, it would be easier to work on the car rather than like bending over like a ton. But this is pretty much your oil cooler right here. You're gonna need a T, I'm not sure what it is, but I'll let you guys know exactly what it is once I'm working on it. So basically all you would need is the gasket for it. I already have it. I'll show you guys real quick. Let's see, I probably left it on top of the car here. This is the gasket. Nothing too fancy at all. If you need the part number, that's the part number right there. Yeah. I didn't buy this, my buddy ended up giving it to me, so hey. Alright guys, I'll switch you guys over to the GoPro and then we can go from there. Also, I was gonna say, keep in mind, anything dumb I didn't do, take notes of it, because then you wouldn't make the same mistake as I did. But let me show you real quick where the bolts are. So there's one right here, there's one right there, there's one in the middle there, I hope you guys can see that. And there's one all the way down there, it's covered in oil. Yeah. And there's one in the corner right here. That's gonna be kind of hard to get to. I'm gonna try my best and see if I can do it without taking up the reservoir, because I believe you have to take this off, and in order to take this off, I'm not sure if I'm gonna leak any power steering fluid. I'm not exactly sure. But let me go ahead and get these bolts untightened. I'll probably start with the bottom one, if not probably the top one, and have some towels here just to catch some oil just in case. I'm gonna figure out a place where I can put my phone. I didn't mention, obviously it's gonna be a T30. So you wanna start with your T30. I have this little tool here, it's kinda cool. Alright, I'll start with this one.
Hey boy.
This thing is being really annoying. There we go. You know what I forgot, guys? My gloves. I mean, come on. How can I forget my gloves? You guys should have told me in the comments down below. You know what? You know what would be a good idea also? You know how I told you guys to take notes in case I do something dumb? Maybe I should have some sort of like, maybe I don't need it, like an oil catch pan underneath. But just looking at it, it's definitely not gonna drip on the floor. It's definitely gonna go in my belt. This belt needs replaced anyways. It is toasted. Oh, this is hard to break loose. Oh, there we go. Jeez. Let me see if I can get this bottom one here. I'm gonna go ahead and break this loose for you guys with both my hands. There we go. Let me see if I can get my hand all the way in here. Oh yeah. That's gonna work. Oh, there we go. I broke it loose, guys. So this tool is definitely handy. Thanks to my buddy Jason, he recommended this tool. He watched one of my YouTube videos on when I changed the crankcase vent all the way in the corner on the engine bay, and this tool definitely saved my life today. Oh, that's tedious. Don't try this at home. This off. Now that I didn't know was gonna happen. I think I mentioned earlier oil might come out, but obviously no oil. It's rather coolant. I should have thought about that, but I don't know how to stop that. I mean, is that normal? It just keeps oozing out. So I'm gonna try my best and then try and get this gasket out and then put the new one in real quick and then cover it before I lose more coolant. So Okay. Well, I'll put you guys on standby because I don't think you need to see me just take the gasket out and put the new one on. Let me see if it actually matches it. Okay, it does. Yep. Alright, cool. That's all I needed to know. Yeah, coolant finally stopped, so yeah, we did lose some coolant. I guess that's part of it. So let me go ahead and try and take this gasket off for you guys. It's pretty hard, guys. It's pretty brittle. I think it's been on there for a while. This is very soft. I did my best to try and clean this spot right here. It might take a little bit longer to just get it perfectly cleaned, but it should be fine. I'll go ahead and put the gasket on it. Oh gosh. I think I just got a mosquito bite. Super itchy. Here we go. All right, so for this part right here, see this right here, that's gonna lock in place, and right here, this is gonna lock in place. So you wanna make sure you get the bottom one first. It's gonna be this hole. This is your screw hole. This is gonna be your hole you wanna put into right there and right here. And then we can go ahead and start installing the screws back on. This one I'm gonna do like crisscross for all sides so they're all equally pressed on. You guys know what I mean. Alright guys, it is super hot. Completed the job. Obviously the car is not in here, the Jeep is in here, but my wife took it out on a drive. Well, actually not on a drive, she actually went to the shop. I figured I'll let her take it since, you know, I just worked on it, but everything went smooth. All you have to do is just put the bolts back. You guys saw I was putting the bolts back, and that was pretty much it, guys. I mean, to be honest, like, it could be harder for you guys to do it without the reservoir or taking out the power steering reservoir, but it's a lot easier once you take that off and then actually work on the cooler itself. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Quick maintenance on the C330. Again, that's a maintenance item you need to keep an eye on when it starts leaking. Just go ahead and change the rubber gasket out and you should be good to go. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.